Hello guys, my name is Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a PDF document for free, and I'm going to be showing you two different ways on how to do that. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe, and also don't forget to turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you. So I have a PDF document right here on my desktop. So let's say for instance, there's something I want to edit on this document. So how do I go about it? So I'm going to close this. And then I'm going to head over to Microsoft Word. So we can use Microsoft Word to convert any PDF document into an editable document. So to do that, I'm basically going to drag this document into Microsoft Word. So when you do that, you get this message that says, Word will now convert your PDF into an editable Word document. This may take a while. The resulting Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text. So it might not look exactly like the original PDF, especially if the original file contains lots of graphics. So that's fine. You click on OK. So that's it right there. Microsoft Word has converted my document into an editable Word document. So right now I can do whatever I want. I can type in anything. I can change words. I can also insert pictures and do many other things I would do on my regular Microsoft Word document. So when you are done doing all the editing you need to do on your document, you can save it again as a PDF by heading over to your file ribbon right here, and then you hit on print, and then right here you choose the Microsoft print to PDF printer. So when you select it, you hit on the print button right here, and then this Windows Save As dialog will come up where you have to choose a file location and also give it a name, and then click on save. Or you can simply go over to file, click on Save As, browse, and then the Windows Save As dialog will come up. Then you can choose your file location, give it a name right here, and then right here on the Save As type, you select PDF, and then you click on Save. So that's this right there. That's how to edit a PDF document using Microsoft Word. So another way to edit a PDF document is to use an app called LibreOffice Draw. So if you don't have the LibreOffice on your PC, you can go ahead to their website and download it on your PC. So LibreOffice is just like a Microsoft Office where you have your Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, and the rest. So to get it on your PC, you have to head over to LibreOffice.org and hit on this download button right here, and the download will kick off. So after installing LibreOffice on your PC, you head over to your search right here and search for LibreOffice Draw. So up here you find the best man, so you have to click on it to open. So when the LibreOffice is open, this is what it looks like. You're going to head over to your top left corner of your screen and hit on File, and then you scroll down and hit on Open. And then you select the file location where you have your PDF. So I have my PDF on my desktop. So here's the PDF file right here. So I'm going to select it and then I'm going to hit on Open. So right here I can edit my document, type here whatever I want in it. So on the left hand side of your screen you have your properties button right there where you can format your text and also your page. You can also insert pictures on the document by hitting on the insert button right here, hitting on image, and then you get to choose the location of your image. So when you select it, you hit on the open button and then the picture will be inserted on your document. So when you are done with all the editing you need to do and you want to save this back as a PDF document, you can go over to your file button right here and then you click on export as, and then you hit on the export as PDF button. So right here you get to set different options on how you want your PDF to look. So I'm okay with all the default settings right here, so I'm going to hit on export button. And then the Windows Save As dialog will open, so I get to choose a file location and also change the name of my document. So I can say PDF, and then I click on the save button right here. So when I go over to my desktop, there I have my document. So that's it for this video guys. That's how to edit a PDF document using Microsoft Word and also LibreOffice Draw. So if you find this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.